If you are a remote worker and your interest is to make $1,000 to $2,000 monthly, this platform is for you. This platform hire remotely, and the platform is just like a gateway for you to get to your employer. So we are going to discuss briefly on this platform to make you understand how the platform works and everything you need to understand about the platform. So before we continue, let's look at the details or the description on the screen of the platform for you to understand how it works. If you can see here, the platform says that you should get hired for the best fully remote jobs and discover the 100% fully remote jobs worldwide for digital working nomad and remote workers. Sorry, if you are confused about the platform, this platform is called workingnomad.com. Workingnomad.com, and it's a remote job platform. It's a remote job platform. And before we continue, if my video for the very first time, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification button to get notified anytime I upload video like this. Thank you. Let's continue. This platform have 5,300 jobs available right now for you to apply. 5,300 jobs available. In this platform, there are a lot of keywords, keywords that you need to understand. It's not a platform that owns a job. It's not a platform that employs you. The platform only serves as a gateway. What do I mean by serve as a gateway? The platform allow the companies that want to hire remote workers to upload jobs in their platform. The job will be in form of banner ad, etc. Like this example for, sorry, I'm a stammerer, it's difficult for me to tell sometimes. This example of a banner I'm talking about. This is about example of a banner. All these things you are seeing is a banner, and it's being posted by companies that need remote jobs. These are banners, and these are the jobs that the platform are telling you they are going to allow you to apply. So this is how it works. When you apply on these jobs that you are seeing, when you apply on these jobs, your details, your application is being sent to the company that posted the jobs. You understand? Your application is being sent to those companies. Then this is what the company will do. Since your application is being sent to them, the company is going to cross-check your application, check the details of your application, and they will know if they will accept you or not. Let's look at the review from Trustpilot. If you don't know what is Trustpilot, Trustpilot is a platform that can rank any legit platform that you need to understand. For example, any platform you come across and you don't trust that platform, go directly to Trustpilot and paste the name of that platform or type in the name of that platform, and Trustpilot is going to tell you everything about the platform, if the platform is legit or not, and the reviews other people are giving concerning the platform. So let's copy our platform link for today, which is Working Nomad. So I'm copying the Working Nomad right now. So I'm going straight to Trustpilot. So let me paste it in and search. Let's see what Trustpilot have for us. This platform you are seeing right here is a platform that is working very well, but not everybody know about it. So this platform is called Working Nomad, and this platform works like LinkedIn, Upwork, Fiverr, but in a different pattern entirely. In this platform, the platform itself has a job for you to do. It's not something like LinkedIn, Upwork that you will need to wait for people to come and hire you. You get, like, those who have job to hire, who need to hire remote worker, will upload their job directly to this platform. You understand? Then you, the job seekers, will go to the platform, select the jobs that are there with the certain amounts that are there, and apply. Simple. But this, let me just go to some of the video. When I get to some points, you understand. So in this platform now, you can see we have 3.4 rank. Like the video is like the platform is ranking on Trustpilot 3.4. And let's see some of the review of this platform. Let's see some of the review of this platform. As you can see here, we have number one review here, Mariu. This the review Mariu gave, and Mariu gave this platform 5 stars, as you are seeing on my screen. And it says, clear remote job seekers. I found workingnomad.com the most user-friendly researcher for remote jobs. It is safe, easy, and I found like some words I misunderstand here. I found the best job I had so far. You can see they have everyday new interesting jobs, and I really appreciate those jobs. Those jobs categories divided by colors, so I can find my profession faster. Great chance to work remotely and travel a lot. Very nice. Like you even with what is writing, you understand that this person have been working in this platform, and the platform is working for he or she, but I believe it's she. So let's go to the platform now. The platform is giving you the best of all they can give right now. And if you look down, I just scroll down. If you look down, you will see that we have remote jobs that you can apply. If you see here, we have senior switch. This one is for developer. This one is for developer. Sorry, this is for developer. This one is for teachers, those who have the knowledge to teach. This one is for teachers. You understand? You can see it here. Looking for online ESL teacher remote. This one is for teachers. And you can see it here. Become the engineer company actually want to hire, job guaranteed. And some of you can see the amounts here. Look at the amount. Imagine 100k to 200k. You can see it here in dollar, not in naira. Look at it. Look at this one. 16 to $24 in hours. You can see it there yourself. In hours. If you still scroll down, there are a lot of jobs in this platform. Jobs that you can apply. But firstly, let me make you understand some certain things. This is what you will do for yourself. Okay. Now I'm going to ChatGPT. In that ChatGPT now, ChatGPT will tell you what you need to do to get applied and the kind of jobs you can apply. You understand? Right now you can see the works or the jobs here. Even data analyst is here. You can see it. Data analyst. A lot of jobs are here. But first, you need to know how to apply in this kind of platform. This is the mistake people normally do. They will see a platform, they just jump directly into the platform, and end of the day, they might not get hired in any jobs at all. But today, I'm going to make you understand how some of this platform works. Me, before I can get my first job in this platform, I study very well concerning the platform and how they hire remotely. You understand? So you can see like a lot of jobs are in this platform. A lot. I never see. Oh, so this is what will happen. Let's go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will make us understand some things concerning the platform. So this is what we have. The platform allow you to search for fully remote jobs, filter job by category, country, experience level, salary, and employment type. Set up email alerts for new jobs opening. Apply directly to the hiring platform website. Bracket working Nomad does not hire you itself. I can see you apply in the platform. Since the platform will list the job, then you apply. When you apply, then those companies that are hiring workers are going to select the best for them to use. I don't know if you're getting me. So this is what will happen. If you have a platform like this, how will they understand you have a well-detailed profile for them to hire you? Go back to your LinkedIn, update your LinkedIn profile, make your LinkedIn profile look professional. When your LinkedIn profile is professional, they will hire you. There's no way they will not hire you. I don't know if you're getting me. Those people need the best of what they can get from you. So they are not just going to give the work to random person, someone that don't even know what is doing, or someone that just uh, build an empty profile in LinkedIn and is applying for this kind of remote job. It don't work like that. If you are looking for a job or you want to work remotely, you set up your LinkedIn profile, update it very, very well, because most of these company prefer LinkedIn profile because they mostly understand how LinkedIn work. But a lot of you don't know how LinkedIn work. That's just it. Maybe when we look down to some of what ChatGPT said, you understand that even ChatGPT is going to advise you to focus on updating your LinkedIn platform. So let's continue. This is the kind of jobs you can get in this platform or you can apply in this platform. We have software development, customer support, digital marketing, sales. That is to sell product for those companies. They hire the best to promote their products. That is something like sales. Writing and content creation, graphic design. We have data analysts. This data analyst, a lot of companies hire data analysts very easily because they know that it's very, very difficult. You understand? So if you know a lot about data analysts and how to work as a data analyst, you have to apply in this kind of platform because it will be very difficult, and when you have a good profile in LinkedIn, for them to reject you. Let's continue. We have project management, we have human resources, we have finance and accounting, visual assistance, healthcare, and more. So in this platform that you are seeing, you can see how the platform works. Okay, it's like ChatGPT want to advise us. Can someone from Nigeria apply? This because it's using this because you know that my location is African and it's Nigeria. I don't know if you're getting me. So it's trying to advise me. You know how all this AI platform works. Nigeria can apply for these jobs on working Nomad. However, some jobs are open worldwide. That is, they are trying to tell you that most of these jobs in that platform are open worldwide, and some select countries. I don't know if you're getting me. So let's continue. Others are restricted to applicants in countries such as the US, UK, Canada, Europe. You understand? But it's not all. It's just trying to explain. ChatGPT will always remain ChatGPT because it's going to explain very well for you to understand how you can work in that platform. You understand? So let's continue. Is there anything for you to say? Oh, you see, I told you that ChatGPT is going to advise you later concerning your LinkedIn profile. You can see how to increase your chance of getting hired. Create a professional one-page CV. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Write a customized cover letter for each applicant. You can see apply to newly posted job. What it means that newly posted job is job that is posted within 24 hours, 44 hours. That is 1 day, 2 days. Not job that is lasting there for like 2 weeks, 1 week, 1 month. Those kind of jobs they have the numbers of applicants they want already, so they might not hire you. That is just it. So I don't want the video to continue and I don't want the video to be too long. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel if you love what I do in this platform. Thank you.